Police responded to Lantana Beach after lifeguards reported a disruptive, visibly intoxicated man near the water. Initial contact is a voluntary encounter under Florida versus Bostick, 1991. No seizure, no obligation to comply yet.
What do we got?
He's just super drunk over the beach, throwing stuff around.
Okay. What's up, man? What are we doing?
You know me.
Yeah, what are we doing? What's the deal?
Just, hammered man, a bunch of people were... No, I wanted to go out to the beach, but there's too many people here.
Okay.
So I gotta take it home.
Okay.
I might have had too much to drink.
Yeah, it seems like it.
Yeah. I got a cooler full.
All right, can we pack our stuff
But
and go,
I wanted
man?
to go out there.
Listen, you're not going out there in the water, man. If
I
you're,
know.
If you're
I
too
know.
little...
He told me it's not gonna happen today.
Not today, maybe tomorrow.
Got dropped off here with this, right? But it had a hole in it, right? And I called her back. I said, bring me the patch kit. She brought me the patch kit. I put the patch kit on.
All right, let's start gathering your stuff. We're going to walk up here, okay?
That's the main thing, all right?
Yeah, we'll grab your stuff. Let's go.
All right. I'll follow you.
Lawrence, I'm following you. You got to pick your stuff up.
Okay, you guys can't fill it and go out tonight?
What?
I said, my guys can't fill it and come out tonight. If I leave it here, just leave.
No, we definitely can't leave the thing here.
Huh?
We can't leave this overnight. This?
No. You gotta pick your stuff up, or they're gonna...
Yeah, man, I'll get your anchor here.
Lawrence, man, why are you getting drunk like this, man?
Am I coming out?
Lawrence, roll this up for me. Roll this up.
Who else will get you out to the beach?
Only you. Come on, man.
Careful, buddy.
Careful, come on.
I just want to get this in.
Hey, don't fall backwards. Don't fall backwards.
Woo! Are you able to walk, man? No?
Yeah, I am. You know me.
Hey, let's go. Lawrence, walk up here. Come on. Lawrence.
Look at my stomach.
Okay, you need fire rescue?
I've been eating and all that. Where's my boat?
Lawrence, come here.
My boat's right there?
Grab your
Lawrence.
stuff and leave. You just dropped something, bub.
My boat? Or the
Come
weed?
on.
The weed?
I don't know. You just dropped something on the chair.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know, man. I would listen to these guys and vote your goal, man.
Listen, sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
This is it.
Morning, that didn't
Yeah, I don't know.
guys chill.
No, you're not gonna be drinking while.
No, hey,
Can you please get a hold of him?
come on.
You want him to go with everything? If you don't keep 9-day orders, you're about to go in handcuffs. That's what's about to happen. So, perfect. It's gonna stay here. You want to be arrested for public intoxication?
I don't.
Okay, then I suggest you do what we tell you to do.
I'm going to.
Okay, stay right there until after you get here. I'm tired of dealing with you down and back and causing a scene.
Hey, I got
alright?
you.
Lawrence, sit down. I don't know why you're not listening,
It
man.
is. I'm tired of dealing with you. He may not take you, but I probably will. That's okay.
Hey,
My wife over here.
hey,
That's okay. I tried to
Get my phone.
Lawrence, sit down.
Let me have my phone. I don't give a f.
Come here. Hey,
Come on.
What?
come here. Hey, Lawrence,
Hey,
stop.
what?
Come on. I don't want you
Come
to
on, where?
We're helping you. Relax.
I'm calling my mother's wife.
All right, relax.
All
Relax.
right, so what you going to? I'm not
I
going
want you
to.
to sit down.
No, look.
Lawrence,
Yes,
look at me.
I'm
You're
not
gonna
going
get
with you
hurt.
hitting her
Hey, you know
head
me.
because you can't.
I do.
You know me.
Stop.
I don't want to motherfucker hear another word.
Alright.
I don't want to hear another word. I don't give a fuck. Get off of my hand. I'm calling my wife.
Lawrence,
now.
you're gonna call
I just tried to
her.
call your wife
No,
for you.
I'm going to do it alone.
Lawrence, look at me.
Listen, don't make me go back out there swimming.
Okay.
You're not going
Look at
to.
Then
me.
you're going to be mad at the motherfucker.
Hey,
I don't give a
Stop.
fuck. Stop grabbing my hand. I'm calling my wife. Now, if she wants to come here, that's fine.
okay, call her.
Is that her?
I don't know. Is that her
You
car?
know the white Maserati.
All right, call
You
your
know
wife.
me.
Call
You're
your
right.
wife.
Are you putting him in cuffs or
No.
no?
No.
That's fine.
Hell no.
Okay,
For
well,
what?
do you need backup or not?
For what?
I'm not
No, he don't
doing
know
this.
backup.
Okay.
Yeah. This is silly right here.
Lawrence, sit down for me, man.
Go back and do something where you're supposed to be doing.
Lawrence, you're gonna fall.
No, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm trying to wait for my wife to come right to that gate.
Okay.
Watch, she'll come here so fast.
Okay.
Watch. No, I'm not. No dope.
All right.
I don't sell dope.
Hey,
I do concrete.
Lawrence.
No, I'm just saying. I see her.
Relax. Just sit down for me, bro. Sit down. Come on.
Yeah, I'm ready to get out of here. I'm ready to get a ride out of here.
All right.
Let me call her up and I get in.
All right. Call her. Call her.
Here's where she dropped me off.
I know that. So call her. Go.
Right this way, man.
I'm trying to think of where I gotta be on the beach.
Don't worry about, dude. Don't worry about any of that. We're
I'm
gonna.
talking about the beach.
Wait, what?
I've been here a while.
Yeah,
I'm talking about the beach.
Okay.
When I got
We're going-
I got on the beach that he got to collect. If he's gonna collect it.
He's gonna collect it.
I'm gonna collect it for you.
Put it all together, okay?
Is this it?
That's it, man. That's
You
all
sure?
you. Yep, I
I
am.
got
100.
nothing out there?
No, sir. Nothing. Let's go. I'm gonna grab it for you. Go.
All right, let me get my flip flop.
Here, stand over there with them.
Get a little film out here.
Come on, have yourself.
Come on closer, that's right.
Dude.
You know where I'm at, right?
Yes. Go.
Hope so. Perfect.
There you go.
Excellent. Now we're going to the truck.
Just grab one, Lane.
Yep, I got him.
Hey,
Come on, come on.
you guys got me up. Because you know I ain't going to JFK.
Why not?
What do you
Why?
mean, why not?
Why don't you want to go
I've
there?
been to JFK 20
All right, listen. Let them check you out real
Check my
quick.
name.
Listen, they're just
You know
gonna.
my name?
Lawrence.
I'm here to help you out, sir.
Check my name out.
All right, so we're gonna go to the
I ain't
truck.
going to JFK.
All right, if you have a ride that could come get you, because we're not doing this, man.
Yeah.
Who?
You know I do. Where's my phone?
Right here. Let's go over here. Come on.
Give me my phone. Watch how fast I get around. I ain't going to JFK.
Well, where do you want to go?
I'm going to my motherfucking house down the street. Me and you.
Let them check your vitals. Come on.
My vitals are motherfucking fine.
Well, let's go.
I'm ready to take on motherfucking Conan.
All right, let them check you real quick. I can't force them to go. You know.
You can take him to jail though. Public intoxication.
All right, I'm done dealing with this guy.
Okay. Goodbye.
The subject's own admission, I might have had too much to drink, establishes probable cause under Florida Statute, Section 856.011. The statute requires only two elements: intoxication in a public place, plus a public disturbance or safety risk. Both are satisfied here. Officers do not arrest immediately. Florida Criminal Justice Standards, Chapter 11B27, mandates de-escalation when safe and feasible. They comply. When the subject begins refusing directives, Florida Statute Section 843.02 applies. Obstruction does not require physical resistance. Sustained verbal defiance is sufficient.
Yeah, we got two more. Hey. Hey, come on.
What?
Hey, come on.
Then
Put
my
that
bike
down.
comes to the
I'm not
beach.
doing this on it.
Hell no.
This isn't happening either.
Do what you want.
Let go. Let go. Because
Hey.
you
Go
can't
for
drink in
what?
public. You're already
I'm not
drunk.
drinking
You're
in
already
public.
committing your crime.
Look, he already gave me my phone.
You're already committing
Stop.
your crime.
Stop. Lawrence, stop.
Stop for what?
Let
Oh,
go.
I'm thirsty.
Let go. I'll give you some water if you let go.
Okay. I want water.
Stop.
You ain't cuffing
Stop.
me.
No, hold on.
You know you ain't cuffing me.
Lawrence, come
You
on.
know you ain't cuffing me.
Lawrence, come on.
Hey, you know you ain't cuffing me. You ain't cuffing me.
Lawrence, relax.
There ain't no way you're cuffing me. There ain't no way you're cuffing me.
You're gonna have to put him
I
in
don't
cuffs.
give
He's
a
gonna
fuck.
go in jail because right now he's
Lawrence, come
I
on.
don't give a f. You guys go home.
ridiculous. It shouldn't even be
You
this
guys
way.
go home. I don't want to cause a big catastrophe. You know me. You know me. I know.
I don't know you.
No, he knows it. Get the f away from me.
All right, hey, Lawrence.
I don't give a fuck.
Lawrence, come on.
I don't give a f. Go away from me.
Hey, come on. Hey, come here. Lawrence, get out of the water. Come on.
Why do you think let him get to this point?
Because he's usually cooperative with me.
But he's not. He's not willing to get in the back of the van. We're gonna have to go. Now he can get there and drown. Now
I know.
it's an issue. So now you're gonna cause him to go out and go.
Sorry,
We
man.
have two more officers on the way.
Yeah,
so
we
whenever
got
he
two
gets
more.
here, you can go and cuss and go with us. We just need him out of the water.
You want us to pull him out?
Yes, please, because we're not gonna take him whenever he's wet either.
Oh, great. Just 14. It's going to be closer to the O side at this point.
It's possible to get him up here. If he hits you and stuff, he's just falling out. That way it's audio and video recorded. And you're not gonna be in trouble because you're trying to cuss out. I'm gonna get cussed out.
Are you quick with cuffing? Or?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll let you do it then. I'll cuff him then. Hey, once we get him to the ground, I'll cuff him. All right? Bring him up.
When the subject enters the water, Graham versus Connor, 1989, governs. Force is assessed from a reasonable officer's perspective, not hindsight. 3. Graham factors are present: an active offense, an immediate safety risk, and ongoing physical noncompliance. Arrest is legally justified. Officers issue a taser warning. No less lethal device is deployed. The escalation to a ground takedown is proportional under Florida's use of force continuum. The felony charge battery on a law enforcement officer under Section 784.07 requires intentional, unconsented touching. Incidental contact during arrest does not qualify. The state attorney
You want to pull
notified
out?
Yes, please, because we're not going to take him whenever he's ready to.
Just 14. It's going to be close to the O side at the point.
The retained charges disorderly intoxication and resisting without violence survive because the record supported them. Probable cause and prosecutorial sufficiency are not the same standard.
Lawrence, come on over here. Come here. Come on. Come here.
Put your hands behind your back. Ow! 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 Hands behind your back. Ow! Ow! Ow!
You're gonna get tased, you understand?
No, I ain't.
Stop. Yes,
I'm
you
not
are.
resisting.
I'm telling you, you're gonna be tased.
I'm not resisting, though.
I know.
They're there!
Stop resisting. You're gonna
No
be tased.
resisting! Yeah, they're tight, yeah? Why do you gotta be so tight?
Sit up for me. Sit up.
Resist, I'm motherfucker! Let it up! Let it up! Democrats! Let it up! Let it up! These Democrats! I did down the street! I did down the street!
Come on.
I did down the street! Let him go! Let him go!
Lawrence, I will.
Let him go!
Come on.
Let him go! Let him go!
Lawrence,
Ah! Let him go! Where's my beach? Where's my beach?
Go. Walk.
Where's my beach?
It's a lot harder than saying.
Woo! Got us out of the way. Woo, woo. I like this.
Yep, let him.
Why can't we get please put him on the stretcher?
Because they can't come down.
Fox News!
They can't come down.
Fox News! Get over here, Dennis!
You ready?
Get over here, Dennis! Jesse!
No.
Get
You
over
gotta sit
here!
up. You gotta sit up.
Fox News! Fox News! Get over here, Jesse!
Listen to me.
Jesse!
right.
Get over here! Carry me,
Hey, Lance,
bitch!
do you want me to call him?
Let's
Call
go,
him back.
my Gucci chain!
12-5. Can you
My
start at 3
Gucci
again this way,
chain!
please?
Nigga!
Yeah.
Juicy! I know you in New York! Jesse! Get your knee off of me! Get your knee off of me!
That's a long ago he wouldn't go because he wasn't.
Get your knee off of me!
You gonna stand up?
Yeah!
Okay, come on, stand
Come on,
up.
let's go!
Make it easy.
Come on! I got fucking state.
No, wrong way, wrong way.
Where do you think I gotta go? Where do you think I'm going?
This
Where
way.
do you think I'm going?
Back
Where do
up
you think
this
I'm
way.
going? Where do you think I'm
Come
going?
on.
Where do you think I'm going?
Keep going up the
Yeah,
steps.
fillet me down waiting for me.
Let's go. Dude.
You guys are getting the workout.
I know he's dead.
Y'all getting to work, that's for sure.
Yep.
What's that up top?
Tell your mother to stand up.
Come on.
There you go.
Ma'am,
Stand up, man.
just back up for us.
I don't give a fuck. Take me like a mackerel. Take me like a mackerel. Bitch. Take me like a mackerel. Take me like a mackerel, bitch. Take me like a mackerel. Ah! Take me like a mackerel, bitch. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna fall on you. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Come on, man.
Officers grade B, sustained de-escalation, proportional force, sound tactical coordination, deduction, a charging package, including felony battery and indecent exposure. That failed prosecutorial review indicates a documentation problem, not an arrest problem. Subject grade C+. Conduct satisfied every element of both retained charges. Credit for not escalating to violence once restrained. Extended noncompliance forced an arrest that de-escalation had repeatedly sought to avoid. State Attorney's Office grade B+. Correct exercise of prosecutorial discretion charges without merit dropped. Supported charges retained. Lessons from this incident. Voluntary admissions before custody require no Miranda warning and are fully admissible. Overcharging at arrest carries real costs. Pretrial detention on charges that collapse, credibility loss, and civil liability exposure. De-escalation is a documented legal obligation in Florida, not discretionary. When it fails, that documentation becomes evidence. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching.